of Jamaica. Pretty and bold, we no play no faker. So not, but we cooler than the flavor. Wine to the rhythm, still chase the paper. Yeah.
Boom, 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 girl. Open the door. Me reach outside and I want pee bad. Open the door, girl. Wake up, man.
This is what me can't understand. Oh, you have to say yeah, atas, right? And you're there with scammer man where having big vehicle and everything, and you and him go party. Him left you at the party. You know, having no fear for God, fear yard. So you are wake me up out of my bed after 5 in the morning because you're not having no fear for God yard. And you want pee. Make it make sense. This is why I not like when people know which part I live. Because as much as me and the girl are friend, I can't stand her behavior.
Babes, me reach over, sorry. I hope you get through the way you deal with. Call me as soon as you can hear. Girl, last night did nice. But the woman had reached her ear and then my phone ring to me and say, oh, bisa ka machinka you when I look at Damian saying just like a new client. So I say, come we go party. So I say, alright. So I finish up with the ear and thing. I say, alright, but I'm going to prefer look at just and put her on whatever. Anyways, him tell me mo hungry na friend baga so yun sila sa mga idadadiya miya sila sa mga burger and muli and ting am dasi pal mo da boil to don puna kup sa makang hunting so when I say ma compete me tell me say oh mani for grab something to eat him saying I'm not can't care mga KFC and ting so anyway mga KFC girl and mga party basta the party nice
Face down, but I'm watching still. Counting minutes like they dollar bills. Typing bubbles and they disappear. Boy, I know you're.
You know, I said the devil strong, you know, because me know if you sit down and listen to this your madness, yeah. And then me know if be one good friend, and me can't encourage her and I foolishness, you know. Me can't really encourage her and I foolishness. She have to go vex to them, sorry. She have to vex. Oh, you said the part go bowl left a party and you have to take taxi, come here and have enough fear. Tell me about that part there. Oh, yes.
Yes, girl, him get a call and him dip on the phone for a while. Then him say him have to leave because him have to go deal with some errands. So him leave.
Girl, so him just leave and I give you no fear just so?
Girl, me walk. Me have to take off my shoes and walk down to the bus park, girl.
But girl, you cannot come from party and walk barefoot pan dirty road and everything in a messy tea. You know easy. No man, girl, you have to go bed. You have to go bed. Me go to the bathroom, go look towel and send for your bed. Because, girl, I be a germs. Come on from me tea. Jesus, God. Oh, and you smell so? When you smell like fish?
Real hot girl no order. If something wrong, me check out that. Fresh pum no carry fish bucket, clean and confident. My proud eye.
Girl, when you did go into the bathroom a while ago, in there did smell away? Cause me go in there a while ago, my love, and me don't know, in the kind of smell fishy. You did smell that?
Girl, and me from Woody, me don't know, it's like my pH off, like from about 2 weeks, you know, me realize, say, you know, every time I go bathroom, me have the fishy scent, and, you know, like when me urinate, it cloudy and them something there. I don't know, yeah, girl.
Girl, that sound like bacteria vaginosis. You need to use my vaginal wash that's in the bathroom and use some boric acid as well. Alright? So when you go bed, do that. I think a man to take me out of my yard, carry me go one different city, a party. Me no know if him know whether me have money, yes or no. But if you carry me go one next city and you are leaving me, I think the most appropriate thing to do is to ensure that I am okay. So you give me little money and say pay a fare, buy a juice, buy whatever. Furthermore, what kind of errand are you running at after 4 in the morning to 5? That doesn't make any sense. And even if you do have an errand to run as my man, you're supposed to drop me home and go run your errand. You have to factor in time to take me back to my yard. So I don't understand what she means, say, him left for a party, she have to take taxi, walk, go wherever. That don't make no sense to me. I'm gonna understand why she don't see that because, hey, so man no who for ramp with, you know. Man really no who for ramp with.
I say, girl, a long time and I get such a good deed. I say, girl, the show on my yard now where I say I rub down a scrub out. But get the dal bachu nice.
Girl, I'm just glad say you get the germs off of you. But on a real note though, we need to talk about Damian. My fee say something I go on with him.
Breaking news on Yaad News. A Jamaican man, Damian King, along with an unidentified female passenger, was involved in a serious car accident in Kingston. Eyewitnesses say the two were leaving a popular party before the crash. Both victims were rushed to the Yaad Public Hospital for emergency treatment. Stay tuned for more updates.
Hi babes, it's Toya. If you're loving the drama so far, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep up with all the tea on Real Yaadwives of Jamaica. Trust me, it's only getting hotter from here.
We traced our names in the night sky. You swore your love until the sunrise. Every kiss felt like a vow. But where are you now? I kept the